Okay, I just got this battery tender plus from Amazon because I have a Yellowtop Optima battery. Let's see what the model number is. D34-78. And basically this battery, I don't know if it's fully dead, but it doesn't have enough cranking power to start my Mustang anymore. So it's actually been sitting in this location for a while for a few reasons. So we're gonna hook this up and we'll see what it says. Hopefully it says I could charge the battery, because I believe I paid over $150 for that Optima battery, and I would actually prefer to have this battery in my car than the other one that was installed for me at a store. So let's see if we could get this going. Okay, so first, as you can see, there's a special connection with the alligator clips that has to be connected to the battery tender plus, right? So first we're going to connect the alligator clips. Okay, connect the negative one. You know what, I like to do this so it kind of bites in. I'm actually glad this battery's here next to the outside receptacle, because kind of hurt my back in the car accident recently, and I don't want to be dragging this heavy battery anymore, at least not just yet. So let's connect this right now. Also, if it caught on fire, since it's right near the edge of my driveway, I could just hose it down. Let's take this off, just like this. Okay, and now I'm going to connect this to the outlet, and hopefully it charges the battery. So let's see. Alright, and what do we have here? We have a red light, which is very good news. It means the battery is charging. So that is actually really good news, because like I said, this battery, Optima battery, was not cheap, and I'd prefer to charge it and have it installed back in my Mustang, because it's a lot better than the replacement battery, the temporary battery I purchased. So this is the first video. It's the first day I got the battery tender, so we will tape another video hopefully when this light, the green light, is blinking green, meaning it's like right there that it's 80% charged, or it's fully green, meaning it is 100% charged. So let's see how it goes. Well, it looks like I have some good news. This thing started blinking the green light, which means, I believe that means that the battery level has reached 80% charged. So I guess this battery is salvageable, which is very good news for me. So now I just gotta wait for that green light to maintain a constant green light. That means it's at 100%. Okay, that took many hours, but as you can see, red light is totally off, green light is on. This battery is fully charged. Alright, since that battery is fully charged, I decided to take on another battery project and charge a Walmart battery. So let's go to that clip. Well, as it turns out, the Optima battery did end up dying, so I had to buy another battery. And since I don't drive my Mustang much, I had the same exact problem. These batteries just keep dying on me. So I actually listened to some very good advice and got the battery out of the car, put it inside the warm house, and now it sits inside the warm house, which is good for the battery. And you can see right here, I'm charging it up and it has an 80% charge already. So 80% charge is indicated by the blinking light as shown here. That's pretty much it. I do recommend the Battery Tender Plus more than I recommend the Optima batteries. You know, they told me that the battery will last for a whole year, you don't even have to crank your car, and turns out that's false. The battery happened to die like a month after I couldn't return it anymore, which, you know, that sucks when that happens on anything you buy. But I do recommend the Battery Tender Plus. I've used it to charge a lot of different batteries, and it has always worked. The only negative about the Battery Tender Plus is that it's very slow. I mean, it will take, you know, a day and a half to charge a dead battery. So just keep that in mind. You know, it's not going to be a quick thing. It's not going to happen in a couple hours. It might bring the juice back to your battery within a couple hours, but to get that fully charged battery where this thing will indicate it with a solid green light, you actually have to wait like a day and a half at least. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching this how-to video. I hope you found it useful. I hope you got some good information about batteries and the charger. And if you did find it useful, go ahead and click the thumbs up right below this video, and also become a subscriber to my YouTube channel. You never know what kind of how-to tip I'll have next that could save some cash for you or just make your life easier. Take care.